Hello, my dear students. எனக்கே தெரியும் நம்ம CBSE students வந்து everybody was just thinking like, ma'am, yeah, CBSE videos போடல, you people are not doing anything for us. அந்த மாதிரி இல்லடா. We are working on the background. Daily வந்து videosல update பண்றதுக்கு I didn't feel like it is, it is the required thing right now. ஆனா வந்து backgroundல we are also working. நம்ம legal team is actually working, fighting for you people. So don't worry, we are with you as usual. Okay, from the beginning. Okay, நம்ம CBSE exam start பண்றது அந்த ஒரு time onwards, we are all with you. We are still with you and we will be with you. Don't worry about it. So right now, many students were asking, okay, இப்போ வந்து நம்ம CBSE videos ஓட comment box பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். Everybody was just asking about the, what to say, நம்ம grace mark பத்தி தான் they are asking. So right now, I just wanted to give a clarity about that. So for that, right now, just understand, many students, okay, இப்போ வந்து not just students, teachers, in social media, everywhere, and also நம்ம parents ஓட community, everybody is just talking for the CBSE students. நம்ம class 12th students were going through a very bad phase. So everyone was just fighting for these people. Right now நம்ம students ஓட requirements என்னன்னா grace mark and நம்ம what is a revaluationல feesல waiver they needed, or let's say it has to, it should be free. ஏன்னா வந்து it is not just happened with one student, it is not just happened with 1000 students, it happened with, okay, the revaluationக்கு majority ஆன students வந்து apply பண்ணிருக்கேன். So which means this is not just a very small community, இல்லனா a small set of studentsக்கு மட்டும் it does not happen. So it has actually happened with all the students. So there is no point of saying correction, or let's say there is a mistake happened with one or two. It has happened with majority ana students, and also nama students want the transparency as well. So right now, let us just analyze. Okay, let us just analyze. Ipo neenga vandu paathena many people are talking about this grace mark. Let me be very frank to you, or let me be clear about this grace mark. So actually vandu in the grace mark was actually given in 2017. Okay, 2017 la because of the scenario happened, avanga vandu they have provided the grace mark. And let me be very clear to you when this grace mark will be given by the CBSE boards. So first வந்து இப்போ வந்து you are on the border. Okay, உங்களுக்கு பாஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட 1 or 2 மார்க்ஸ் தேவையா இருக்கு. So அந்த டைம்ல இந்த grace மார்க்ஸ்க்கு ரெலவன்ஸ் இருக்கு. They will give you the grace mark. Second thing வந்து நம்ம questionல ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு எரர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா, error which means let us say questionல multiple options கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கலாம், இல்லனா maybe typing error இருக்கலாம், maybe visible இருக்குல்ல, அந்த question paperல question வந்து proper visible இல்ல. So அந்த மாதிரி situationsல எல்லாமே வந்து, and it is also mentioned one thing, if it is affected with a grade, what is it, almost all the students, then also there is a possibility of grace marks. Okay, so in 2017 la actually வந்து this was happened. ஏனா வந்து அன்னைக்கு வந்து in the scenarios which I have mentioned, அதுல வந்து அதனால they have given the grace mark. So there is the point of grace mark during the things which I have mentioned. And also second thing is nothing but nama normalization da. When it comes to normalization will be come into the picture when the exam is difficult. Okay, it is not just, we know that there are many sets. Okay, in the set la edachu or set students க்கு வந்து exam வந்து comparatively avlo difficult ஆர்ந்திருச்சா, they will go for normalization. It is a kind of they will be giving some additional mark to keep the fairness in the exam. Okay, so ஆனா வந்து let us just clarify. Okay, இப்போ வந்து பாத்தேனா நம்ம நார்த் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் விட எஸ்பெஷலி when it comes to physics, நம்ம சவுத் இந்தியன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட எக்ஸாம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு. ஓகே, கம்பேரிங் வித் த நார்த் இந்தியன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி when it comes to normalization, we deserve normalization. Actually I have mentioned, we are also fighting for that. So the questions ஓட level எல்லாமே வந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு. If you're asking me it is too difficult comparing with that question paper, no, but compare பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஒரு எக்ஸாம், if we are writing that exam na, definitely we should get more marks. So அந்த ஒரு change இருக்கு, எக்ஸாம் difficulty இல்ல, கொஞ்சம் changes இருக்கு. So இந்த ஒரு டைம்ல நார்மலைசேஷனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் what is the relevance இருக்கு, அது கூட subject wise தான். Next வந்து how this 15 to 20 mark grace mark. Okay, till this year and the madri 15 to 20 marks grace marks ellame vanda they didn't given. Okay, so let me be very 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 clear to you. So actually vanda nama CBSE result I mean adukku munnadi I have made a video regarding I mean ungaloda marks vanda kammi aga poro, be ready for it. Okay, and ஒரு டைம்ல many students or many people have mentioned to me, ma'am எதுக்காக இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு panic situation create பண்ற? It is not a panic situation. I wanted to make sure நம்ம students வந்து they should be prepared for the best. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து I mean they are all expecting OSM நால this is introduced for the first time, we will get some extra marks. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம students வந்து they thought like that, but clear-ஆ வந்து I have told you people don't expect like that. I mean நார்மலா இருக்கிறத விட கொஞ்சம் கம்மி தான் I mean நம்ம மார்க்ஸ் வந்து வரப்போறோம். So this I have clearly mentioned before the result. And also when it comes to the grace mark, I wanted to clarify again, in the grace mark whatever be the scenarios which I have explained, no I mean question la incorrection நீங்க வந்து borderல தான் இருக்கு pass mark க்கு, and also when it comes to what to say in the question visibility எல்லாத்துலயுமே ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துடுச்சா இல்லனா இந்த எக்ஸாம் வந்து அவ்ளோ டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருந்துச்சுனா definitely the grace mark will come to the picture. Now understand whatever current scenario is not about the difficulty level, it is not about the question la correction இருக்கா இல்ல incorrect இருக்கா or multiple options right இருக்கா, இது வந்து அங்க relevance இல்ல. No one is talking about that right now. It's all about correction la வந்திருக்கிற ஒரு what is a mistake தான், கரெக்ட்டா? So I mean marks add பண்ணும்போது இல்லனா some questions were missed, and you can see நம்ம social media la many students has showed the exam paper they got it. Okay, many students க்கு வந்து they got someone else's question paper I mean answer sheet. Many students க்கு வந்து blur ஆ இருக்கிற answer sheet தான். Many students க்கு வந்து again correction இருக்கு, questions வந்து proper answer I mean they didn't even correct it properly. So இந்த மாதிரி issues தான் highlight பண்ணிருக்கேன். இதோட solution வந்து never ever it is going to be a grace mark. Okay, so right now I know the situation what you people are going through, I'm going to tell you the solution as well, don't worry about it. Ana vandu don't expect we will get 15 to 20 grace mark, adu vandu it is not at all possible. We won't get the 15 to 20 marks grace mark vandu it is not possible at all, even though ivlo years arike no one has given this much of grace marks as well. Okay, right now the scenario is completely different, it is completely depending upon the correction. So correction la how they can just reduce the mistakes. Okay, even though CBSE has never confirmed any issues, any complaints which has happened from their end. Okay, it is OSM these are the things we will be highlighting. If you have any confusion, you can just go for the revaluation. This is what the offer that CBSE board has given to us. Now coming to this, so right now we will be okay in the ஒரு problem என்னன்னா correctionல தான் இருக்கு. So they will do the correction again through revaluation. So adula irundhu I'm telling you guys whatever you have expected. So at majority ana students I have talked to many students வந்து இப்போமே டெக்ஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கேன், மேம் எனக்கு வந்து 10 to 15% mark வந்து I was expected, little bit more I have expected, ஆனா வந்து it is less than what I have expected. So everybody was just mentioning the same range. That is what I wanted to highlight. 10 to 15% mark வந்து they were expected, more they have expected, which means they believe that they have written everything and they should get this mark. So it is not about the grace mark, it is all about how much I have written and I want the grace mark, I want my actual mark. That is what the scenario. So here there is no possibility of this grace mark, they will definitely go for revaluation, and revaluation is not going to disappoint you. Yena vanda CBSE knows the current situation. Okay, they are aware about it and they will never repeat the same mistake. So revaluation la they will do everything properly, because of course mistakes na nama human beings da errors irukum. So definitely and the mistakes vanda reduce pandradhukku illana adu vanda they are not blaming anyone. Okay, they are ready to rectify it, but definitely that platform is open right now, revaluation. So definitely they will do it and you will get the actual marks. Okay, fair ah ungalku vandu what you have written adukku relevant ana marks vandu ungalku kedaikka porum. So you don't have to worry about that. I mean the marks patti you don't have to worry. I mean apart from this grace mark adu vida it is all about nama actual marks da, and the actual marks is going to get it through this revaluation for sure. Okay, adula vandu calma you can just sit and you can analyze. When it comes to grace mark, if you are asking me, ma'am how much percentage we can expect this grace mark, definitely 0.0000009% you can expect for this grace mark. ஏன்னா வந்து grace mark கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு I mean இருக்கிற ஒரு situation அல்ல. Right now we are going through it. Right now it is all about you have written but you didn't get the marks. Okay, it is not about the question paper error or it is not about the other situations. It is all about the correction, and the correction க்கு தான் revaluation இருக்கு. So don't expect much about this grace mark. Just if you believe yourself, okay, நான் வந்து கரெக்ட்டா I mean write பண்ணிருக்கேன் மேம், so அது வந்து definitely you will get it. And also CBSE has also I mean given a promise that if the marks has increased you will get the money back. So that is also kind of free free ada we are going to request for our revaluation. Okay, once the marks has increased, definitely you will be getting the money back. So don't expect, this is also, I don't wanted to create any kind of panic situation. I just wanted to clarify this. Don't expect this grace mark. Okay, just believe what you have written, adukku vandu correct ana marks vandu you are going to get the I mean revaluation. And also I'm expecting nama revaluation ku appuram nama result vandu in a few days la we can expect, because they know that nama I mean it is not about many students are planning to go to abroad. Anga vandu we cannot just clarify like okay India la indha madri problems are going on, so adanal enakku vandu proper result kedikala andha madri we cannot say. So definitely they also concerned about it. Definitely we are going to get a marks in the I mean correct ana marks vandu we are going to get in a very limited time ila. Okay, we will get it. So definitely I'm hoping for the best after this revaluation. And again I'm telling you, revaluation I mean in the grace mark patti don't think much and don't fight for it. adukku irukira konjam conditions irukku, and the condition in the situation la we cannot apply. So actually vandu you can just believe what you have written, adukku vandu correct marks vandu ungalku kadikka porum. And don't worry da, it has not just happened with you, it has happened with every student who has written this exam. 18 lakh students were there. Avanga vandu they have I mean majority ana students vandu they have requested for this revaluation as well, and it is something like they need to do the valuation again. Okay, it is a proper revaluation, not just for a limited number of students. It is happening with the whole set of students. So definitely they also very much concerned about it, and don't be get disappointed, don't be get demotivated. Just go for the next step. Okay, enakku vandu next enna panna mudiyum adu vandu you can just go for it, and we are also doing our best, and also fight. Okay, don't quit. Okay, we are also working for it. Okay, so we need your support as well, and we will get the justice. And if there is any possibility for grace mark, we will definitely go for it. And normalization also we are fighting for it. We can just expect that as well. So don't worry da, we are with you. We need Tamil Nadu teachers are always with you as usual. Nama exam time la we were just stood with you people, adikapra result time la we were with you, and definitely we will with you in the future as well. Don't worry, whatever be the concerns you people have, please let us know in the comment box. We are ready to give a proper clarity on it. And also ipo neenga vandu paathena nama NEET exam vandu it is I mean nama CBSE exam result ellame vandu chaos la da irukke. Now it is your turn for focusing on the NEET exam. So nama NEET exam la paathena you can just go for the mock test. Okay, nama Tamil Nadu la many places la we have this nama center irukku, Vedantoda VLC center irukku. So definitely you can go there and you can go for a mock test. Ena vandu last few days da, innum 10 days da irukku. In the 10 days la ellame vandu practicing this mock test is very important. So adukkaga you don't have to do anything. You can just click here, there will be a form will be there. In the form vandu you can just fill it, avloda. Okay va. And also neenga vandu paathena here join free Re-NEET crash course. Ipo vandu நம்ம students க்கு free guidance kadachena, that will be very helpful. So free da 4999 oda course vandu you are going to get it for zero price. So make sure you people will be utilizing this opportunity. ஏன்னா இது வந்து அவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல you will be getting the free classes, physics, chemistry, biology classes, and also you are going to get the 24/7 doubt solving. Okay, இப்போ வந்து you are studying at 1 AM 2 AM பரவாயில்லடா, you will be getting this. Okay வா. And also when it comes to the when it comes to the content libraries, the test is there. Okay, nama last minute if you wanted to write some test and you need to increase your speed, accuracy, then definitely you have test adukapra answer key solution ellame vandu you are going to get. Okay, so now this is the time to think really positive. Yena one is over, another one is waiting for you, and this is your chance, this is your opportunity. So work for that, and we are all with you. Thank you so much.